conversation number 13, small talks. What is small talk? It is light, informal conversation used in social settings, a way to connect with people and make them feel comfortable. It is usually not about deep or serious topic. Why is small talk important? It builds rapport and trust. It breaks awkward silence. It opens doors to deeper conversations. It helps in professional networking and social confidence. Common topics for small talk: weather, travel and food, work or studies, hobbies and interests, local news or upcoming holidays, or TV program. There are some useful phrases for starting a small talk. Hi, how are you? It's a beautiful day, isn't it? How's work going? I really like your mobile. Where did you buy it? Have you seen the latest movie just released? Example: Hi, nice to see you again. How have you been? I'm good, thanks. Just busy with work. How about you? Same here. By the way, have you tried the new cafe near campus? Not yet, but I have heard it's great. There are small talk in different settings: at work with colleagues or clients, at school with classmates or teachers, at social gathering, parties and events, online, virtual meetings or chats. Here is a conversation at a seminar. Hi, I don't think we have met before. I am Kate. Hello Kate, I am James. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Is this your first time at the seminar? Yes, it is. How about you? I attended last year as well. It was really interesting. That's great. What did you think of today's session so far? Pretty good. The speaker shared some useful tips. Yes, I agree. I especially liked the part about communication skills. Absolutely. By the way, do you work in education? Yes, I am an English teacher. And you? I teach at a language institute too. What a coincidence. Wow, a small world. Maybe we can exchange ideas later. Sure, that sounds great. That's all. Thanks so much.